A group of engineers had been working for months to solve a problem when a frontline employee, who describes himself as just the guy who runs the machinery, had an idea for the solution. The problem was solved in 3 days with a $3 item from the dollar store. In today's video, I want to share with you what it takes to build that kind of innovation throughout all levels of your organization and why you need it in an environment that's constantly changing. Hi, I'm Dr. Dawn Marie Turner, President of Turner Change Management and creator of the Readiness Mindset. As a CEO coach, organizational change specialist, I work alongside leaders to help them successfully navigate the complexities of change using practical science-based methods that make their organizations healthier, stronger, with employees who can get excited about change. In a previous video, I shared why active involvement is essential to your change efforts. Active involvement enables you to capture and harness the collective intelligence of your team, your employees, and your leaders. Check out the video. I'll place the link below. And as you just heard in the example of the dollar store solution, when you develop your team's collective intelligence, you'll solve problems faster and enable change that was previously not thought possible. You'll raise your team's level of productivity without added stress, enable change that is healthier and more sustainable for your employees and your organization. You'll also prevent resistance to change and build the readiness needed to use change for growth and prosperity. Collective intelligence reflects the combined capacity and capability of a group to perform a wide variety of tasks and solve diverse problems. When a group has developed their collective intelligence, it uses each person's experience, beliefs, knowledge, and skills to create a level of intelligence that just simply wouldn't be possible in any one of the individuals. And research has shown that a group's level of collective intelligence is a consistent predictor of the organization's success and its ability to complete more complex tasks in the future. Actively involving people to encourage and enable collective intelligence helps your change efforts. The power of collective intelligence to drive innovation is its ability to solve daily and complex problems faster and with more creativity, which is a key success for your organization. It enables your team to solve complex problems more quickly, and thus it drives innovation in those everyday situations. Remember that dollar store solution at the beginning of this video? That was a biomedical company, and a group of engineers had been working for several months to solve a critical production problem. The solution came quickly and from an unexpected source when they tapped into the collective intelligence of their employees. After hearing about the problem, one of the employees, who, as I said, describes himself as just the guy who runs the machinery, had an idea. The problem that had been baffling engineers for months was solved in 3 days with one trip to the dollar store and some minor engineering adjustments. That's the power of collective intelligence. So here are 3 questions to help you build and sustain collective intelligence in your organization? The first, do the people involved in the problem solving represent a broad range of thinking, and are they bringing different perspectives to the problem? Thomas Malone, professor of management and founding director of the MIT Center for Collective Intelligence, notes, it's not smart people that create smart groups. Groups become smart when the people in the group bring different perspectives and levels of thinking. It's the diversity of thought among the individual group members and not the individual intelligence that enables more creative and faster problem solving. The biomedical firms solved their production problem because their employee brought a different level of thinking and perspective to the problem, and the engineers were willing to explore that perspective. The second question to ask is, do you encourage curiosity, alternatives, and collaboration on new ideas? The willingness and ability to share ideas equally, explore new ways of thinking, and being curious about another person's perspective influences the level of collective intelligence. One study found that groups who tended to have one or more people who dominated the conversation and activity were less collectively intelligent than groups where there was more equal participation among the group members. That's one reason the biomedical company was successful. The employee was given the time to present his idea and his perspective. Then he was encouraged to collaborate with the engineers to work through the problem and identify the solution. The third question to ask is, what is the level of social perceptiveness among group members? Social perceptiveness is not the same as socialization among group members. Social perceptiveness is the person's ability to perceive the subtle, emotional, and interpersonal cues of another person. It is also one of the most significant factors for predicting the level of collective intelligence. Emotions tend to get a bad rap in business, yet every decision we make is grounded first in our emotions. That's why including group members who can detect and respond to both the verbal and nonverbal cues that let you know when emotions are impacting the group's performance is so helpful. I've talked in a previous video about the importance of navigating the emotional side of change, and you can check out that video in the link below. Today's challenges are multifaceted. Meeting them requires the active involvement of the people affected. Making the time to create the structure and encouraging the conversations to enable collective intelligence will allow you to harness the full strength of your organization. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, and if you want to receive notifications when new videos come out, hit the subscribe button. Bye for now.